Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just last night, I made a video how to make your numbers like 3 digits or 4 digits. And then somebody emailed me and said, is there any way you could put a bird, like if they were going to do a coloring book for kids and they wanted a bird there? I used a happy face. So yes, you can. You can't do it the way they'll think you would do it. I'm gonna go and open a new page. I should be able to go right here and just hit the plus key. And I'm going to say okay. And I'm going to go ahead and convert it to 8.5, make it like a sheet of paper by 11. And you can't do it like I did yesterday. We have to edit the text. But I'm going to go to layout and page setting, and I'm going to put 100, say okay. And then I'm going to go to layout and page number setting, and well, that's what I did before. Layout, page number on all pages. So I put that 100. So when I make a new page, the new page will have, well, you know what? That's a good one to learn. You've got to have the page already. Well, there it is. Yeah, that's 101, 102. So there's pages. Let's add some more and you get 103. Because we're starting out at 100. Now, you can't only a text will work in here. Well, there's symbols for texts. So let's go, we have to go right here to edit, and let's type in a capital J and say okay. So now I've got J 103, but if I take my text and highlight that text and go to wingding, now I've got a happy face on all the pages. Well, this particular person wanted a bird. So you would go to DA Fonts and get you a bird font. It's dafont.com. Let's highlight that and let's go to, first we have to edit it. So let's go to edit and let's make it a capital A. I just happen to know the bird's capital A because I just did it. And I'm going to go to the birds. And look at that. Now you've got to reposition your font to the bottom of the page. But look at this. You got a bird 101, bird 102, bird 103. And you can have any symbol that Wingding has. And like I've got a macro to type out the alphabet. And if I go control U to ungroup, so these will be separate. And if I grab that, so you could insert any of those. And Wingding is one of the ones that are the capital and the lowercase are different. And, there's a cross. Let's say you're doing a religious. And to find out what font that is, you could go Control K and let's grab this cross, which you could draw it, but it's not going to be on all the pages. And then let's delete all these other ones. And when you change, so I don't know what font that is or what letter that represents. So I'm going to go back to Arial, and it's the letter U. Okay? So let's go right here let's go back to page 101. Let's edit this. Let's select it, go to your text editor, and type in U. Okay, now I've got to go to get the text and highlight the text and go to Wingdings, and now I have a cross on all the pages. Pretty cool. I've never done this because I'm a laser engraver and we don't number pages. But I understand if she was drawing a coloring book and she wanted a bird or any symbol. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.